Hi guys, welcome back to Roshni Stream. So I hope you guys are doing well and are safe at your home. So those of you guys who don't know me, then hi, my name is Nidhi and I make videos related to beauty, skincare and lifestyle. So if all these things are your vibe, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification icon so that whenever I post video, you guys will get notified. And with that being said, let's just actually move on to today's video.
Cause I'm not just a pretty girl. To take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love. Just a touch of your love.
Okay, so I hope you guys are liking my vlogmas video. I have already uploaded 4 videos, 2 on this channel and 2 on that Get Productive with Nidhi wali channel पे मैंने 2 वीडियो डाले. So if you haven't watched that video, then please make sure you watch that video. I will provide its link down in the description. And now coming on today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all that how I actually get ready when I have to go out to hang out with my friends or to meet some people. तो मैं कैसे एक्चुअली में रेडी होती हूँ वो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी कैजुअल. गेट रेडी विथ मी. सो गोइंग टू टेल यू सम टिप्स दैट आई ऑलवेज कीप इन माई माइंड वाइल गोइंग आउट टू हैंग आउट विथ माई फ्रेंड्स और टू मीट न्यू पीपल. ओके, so without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Let me first do my hair. Oh god, I haven't combed my hair from. Okay, so let me do my hair in a bun first so that it will be easy for me to do my skincare and everything. I think my hair बहुत ही ज़्यादा घुटने लगा चुका है. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this rose water on my face. I think I have spread a lot of rose water because my skin is looking very dull today. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Garnier Vitamin C Serum. So I always like to use vitamin C or niacinamide while going out because you know what, niacinamide also helps to reduce your acne spots and all, while vitamin C gives you a fresh and a bright skin. So my niacinamide serum खत्म हो गया, so I'm going to use this vitamin C. So I'm going to just rub it on my palm and just gonna dab it all over my skin like this. So it just gives you that healthy yet bright appearance. So I just always like to do this. I don't know, मेरा कैमरा में मेरा चेहरा बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. I don't know why. Exactly. Okay, so the serum has absorbed in my face and now I'm going to use this Nivea moisturizer. And if you know me, you know I use only Nivea. I don't know why I have so many moisturizer in my cupboard, like vanity, whatever you told, I don't have proper vanity, so I just put all my things on cupboard. So yeah, I just like to use a lot of moisturizer, especially on my nose, because winter mein, oh my god, you only survive on moisturizer only, bro. Okay, so I just like to blend it on my skin. And I just apply it a lot on under my eyes because today I have tried a lot. मैं आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा रोई हूँ. That's why my skin is looking, my eyes is looking more perfect. So just trying to do a proper massage under my eyes. Get your neck bro. My skin is looking so glowy, so hydrated. It's just feeling like my skin has drank a lot of water. बहुत ही ज़्यादा पानी पी लिया इसने. And I'm literally loving this. So feel nice. Okay, so this is going to be my last step. That is, I'm going to apply sunscreen because of course you're going out and you don't have to miss sunscreen. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to use it. Just going to take this much of it. And by the way, I'm using Lakme Sun Expert SPF 30 and I think it's almost over. And by the way, अभी शाम का टाइम है, तो आई थिंक SPF 30 विल वर्क द बेस्ट मोर देन. और अगर मैं जब एक्चुअली धूप में निकलती हूँ तो आई वुड लाइक टू अप्लाई दैट प्लम सनस्क्रीन विच इज़ SPF 50+. तो वो मैं लगाना पसंद करती हूँ, बट अभी तो शाम में तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन। बट शाम के टाइम आप SPF 30 भी लगा सकते हो, लाइक यू कैन। Guys, it is really important to prep your skin while going out. या फिर आप घर पे भी हो तो it is really important to prep your skin because ultimately this will help you in your long run. So it is really important to prep your skin. It is really important to do your skincare even if you're a girl or boy. Bro, skincare is very important. Skincare should be done twice a day. If you're boy and girl, तो आप दोनों पे ये चीज़ लागू होती है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम तो लड़के तो नहीं करते स्किन केयर। नो, यू हैव टू डू स्किन केयर, राइट? सो माई स्किन इज ऑलरेडी ऑल प्रेप। ओके, सो माई स्किन इज ऑल प्रेप। आई एम प्लानिंग टू यूज मस्कारा यूज़ करने का मन कर रहा है, बट मैं नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर जा रही हूँ। सो दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेप, that is I'm going to use Pop Exotica lipstick and this is in the shade, where is the shade though? Okay, so this is in the shade Hype and this is the best nude lipstick I have ever gotten. जब भी मैं lip balm लगाती हूँ तब मैं ये lipstick पक्का लगाती हूँ because it just look like this is your own lips and just so wow. Just going to apply it. Okay, that is it. I'm all ready. This is what I do for my face. But don't forget your body, guys, because आपकी ये पार्ट दिख रहा है, आपका ये बॉडी दिख रहा है, आपके हाथ दिख रहे हैं, ये दिख रहे हैं. It is really important to prep those part of body as well. क्योंकि you don't want कि आप अगर किसी के साथ hang out करने जाओ तो आपका rough hand या फिर वो rough body लोगों को दिखे. So you don't want that, right? So for that you have to properly moisturize your body as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Nivea body lotion and it is aloe hydration and it just moisturizes your body to 48 hours. This is what it is said, but I think it did क्योंकि मैं कितने बार नहाती नहीं हूँ ना तो नहीं लगा दी. It just helps me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this much and I'm gonna apply it all over my hand like this. So this is what your hands look like when you apply moisturizer. कितना ज़्यादा soft और सुंदर लगता है. So always moisturize your body, your hands, your legs, your neck, every part. This much. Okay, so that is it. My face is moisturized, my body is moisturized, my lips is moisturized. So another thing that I want to tell to you all, either if you're a boy or you're a girl, make sure your lips are also properly moisturized. Use lip balm because chapped lips किसी को भी पसंद नहीं होते. So please make sure that you use lip balm whenever you are going out. If you are a girl and you are wearing lipstick, then make sure कि आप lipstick से पहले lip balm लगा रखे हो. And if you are a boy and your lips are chapped, then make sure कि आप एक Vaseline या फिर कोई भी lip balm आप use कर सकते हो. Another thing that I like to do is I always like to apply some sort of fragrance like on the high points of my body. So I just like to apply some sort of fragrance like this. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so now the last part that I like to do is I like to comb my hair. ये तो मैंने ऐसे ही किया था just to give some sort of bounciness to my hair. That's why I did. But it's so really important that your hair is well combed. Alright guys, so I'm all set to go out and this is what I actually do on daily basis whenever I'm going to college or hanging out with my friends. This is what I actually do in order to get ready. I don't like to wear makeup on daily basis. I like to wear makeup whenever I'm going for a party or any occasional thing, right? And this is what I actually do. Do let me know if you all want me to make a separate video on how to look presentable, how to always look on point. If you're interested, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video on that, because this is also one of my idea in Vlogmas, but since I have to make only 10 videos, so मैंने सोचा था कि मैं इसे कट डाउन कर दूँ. अगर आप ये वीडियो देखना चाहते हो then do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you really did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.